Welcome to Law Review Hub. Are you fascinated by the law? Ever wondered how legal systems shape our world? Whether you're a student, a legal professional, or just someone who enjoys unraveling the complexities of justice, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into criminal law, one of the most crucial and intriguing areas of the legal system. From understanding what defines a crime to exploring how society enforces justice, we'll break it all down in a way that's simple, engaging, and easy to follow. What is criminal law? Now, let's start with the basics. What exactly is criminal law? At its core, criminal law defines which actions are considered crimes and how society punishes those who commit them. But it's more than just a set of rules. It's a system designed to maintain order, protect the public, and deliver justice. Unlike civil law, which deals with disputes between individuals, criminal law focuses on offenses against society as a whole. When someone commits a crime, it's not just the victim who seeks justice. The government steps in to enforce the law and ensure accountability. Who makes and enforces criminal laws? So, who decides what's a crime and how it should be punished? In the U.S., criminal laws are created and enforced at both the federal and state levels. Federal crimes include serious offenses like bank fraud, drug trafficking, and crimes committed on federal property. State crimes vary from one state to another and include offenses like theft, assault, and murder. Some crimes, such as kidnapping or drug trafficking, can be prosecuted at both federal and state levels, allowing both governments to take legal action. Where do criminal laws come from? Now that we know who enforces criminal laws, let's explore where these laws actually come from. Criminal laws are shaped by several sources. Common law, traditional legal principles established through court decisions over time. Statutes, laws passed by federal and state legislatures. The Constitution, which defines crimes like treason and sets limits on how laws can impact individual rights. Administrative rules, where government agencies like the SEC or FDA create regulations that, if violated, can result in criminal penalties. Each of these sources plays a vital role in shaping the legal landscape we follow today. Why do we punish crimes? Next, let's talk about why we punish crimes in the first place. Criminal punishment isn't just about retribution. It serves several important purposes. Incapacitation, removing dangerous individuals from society to prevent further harm. Deterrence, discouraging potential offenders by showing that crime has consequences. Retribution, ensuring that justice is served by holding criminals accountable. Rehabilitation, helping offenders change their behavior and reintegrate into society. These principles guide how the justice system decides punishments, from fines and community service to imprisonment and beyond. Types of crimes. Now, let's break down the different types of crimes. Crimes are typically classified based on their severity. Felonies, serious offenses like murder or robbery, often leading to more than a year in prison. Misdemeanors, less severe crimes like petty theft or disorderly conduct, usually punished with fines or short jail time. But there's another way to categorize crimes. Malum in say crimes that are inherently wrong like murder and theft. Malum Prohibitum, crimes that are illegal simply because laws say so, like driving without a license. Understanding these distinctions helps us see how laws are applied differently based on the nature of the crime. Key legal concepts in criminal law. Before we wrap up, let's touch on a few important legal principles that protect individuals from unfair punishment. Ex post facto laws. The government cannot punish actions that were legal at the time they were committed. Bills of attainder. Everyone has the right to a fair trial. The government cannot pass laws that punish people without one. Vagueness doctrine. Criminal laws must be clear so that people can understand what is and isn't illegal. These legal safeguards ensure that the justice system remains fair and just. Final thoughts. And that's a wrap on our introduction to criminal law. This branch of law plays a crucial role in keeping society safe, enforcing justice, and upholding the rights of individuals. By understanding how it works, we become more informed citizens who know our rights and responsibilities under the law. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Law Review Hub for more legal insights. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.